Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your backups and access so recovery can proceed safely. First, check cloud syncing and any local backups. This tells you if photos exist remotely. Next, make sure the Vault app has storage and account permissions, because without them you cannot restore files. Once done, note the app version and which account holds the Vault. This matters for compatibility and locating the correct backup. If you skip these checks, you may restore the wrong dataset or fail silently. You now perform the core recovery steps. Use the Vault app's Restore or Import tool to pull from cloud or internal backups, because that keeps metadata intact. If that fails, scan the device cache and use ADB or a file recovery tool to find deleted photo files. This deeper search can retrieve items not listed by the app. Once found, export photos to a safe, separate folder outside the Vault, so you have a working copy. Before attempting re-import, you finish by re-importing the verified photos back into the Vault and confirming everything matches. Open a few files to check thumbnails, metadata, and timestamps so you know recovery succeeded. Make sure to re-enable any encryption or PIN settings. This secures your set. If something goes wrong, try clearing the app cache, reinstalling the Vault app, or using your exported copy to re-import. These steps often resolve permission or indexing issues that block visible results. Keep one backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.